Qingdao Showhoo Steel Structure Company Limited is a steel structure building construction material company, which is located in Qingdao, famous seaport in north of China. We can provide design, manufacture, installation for steel structure building projects, also can provide complete solutions according to your ideas. Our main products are all kinds of steel material for prefabricated steel buildings, such as H-section steel columns and beams, CZ-section purlines, colorful corrugated steel sheets, sandwich panels. All materials are widely used in steel structure warehouse, workshop, chicken farm building, livestock barn, hangar projects. OEM and ODM orders are also available to us. Our manufacture factory covered an area of 21,000 square meters, has 3 CNC cutting lines, 5 advanced automatic welding lines, 3 purlins production lines, 5 colorful corrugated sheet steel production lines. Annual capacity of H-section steel is 25,000 tons. Sandwich panel is 100,000 square meters. Our factory has earned ISO 9001 certification of quality control system. Whole production process is controlled by quality system. The warranty period of our products is 5 years. We are in favor of your inspection before shipment. With rich experience in prefabricated buildings export, so we are familiar with different requirements of different countries, and products have been exported to many countries such as Australia, Bolivia, Qatar, Philippines, Bangladesh, PNG, India. Choose Showhoo Steel Structure. Build your promising future.